Naalala niyo pa ba yung itsura ng SM malls during the 90s? 'Di ba very box type siya and not so creative? But over the years, I have noticed na nagkaroon na ng major overhaul ang mga SM shopping malls and nagiging aesthetic na siya. So one of the favorite stores actually that I visit inside SM is yung SM Kultura. So, natuwa ako when I went to Makati last time sa SM Makati. I was really amazed and stunned with the new designs and aesthetic. Yung pagkaka-select ng mga products inside the Kultura store. So, palagi ko yung tinitingnan dati. Like, 3 to 4 years ago, I was comparing kung paano nag-evolve yung mga designs inside Kultura. So, admittedly, mga 5 years ago, medyo baduy yung mga products na nakikita ko doon. And hindi ako masyado natutuwa sa quality niya. But this 2026, I was amazed because kultura has grown so much. Nag-evolve siya. And alam mo yon, it is already observing, kumbaga, kung ano talaga yung trends in the creative uh, market. Kasi kung makikita mo, Makati talaga is spearheading a lot of the creative events and festivities in the Philippines. So, si SM right now, dati kasi parang kultura is more on Filipiniana and Barong Tagalog and yung mga easy na mga pasalubong like yung mga keychain and yung mga medyo mura na t-shirt na nakalagay ako ay Pilipino or yung mga caps. Pero right now, it really evolved into this very premium pero abot kaya pa rin ng mga products. So, na-impress ako when I entered kasi ang dami kong nakita talaga ng mga new products and meron na rin silang mga children's book in Tagalog and isa sa mga natuwa ako is yung coffee packaging nila ng Kape Maria. And I've learned that they are in partnership with 50 coffee farming communities, which is great. So, ang isa pang natuwa ako when I entered the store is this Bicol Express spicy coconut potato chips. So, ang ganda ng pagkakapackage nila. And nung ni-research ko, 100% Philippine potatoes sila sourced from Benguet. So, I'm really happy because it is providing jobs. And isa din itong packaging ng chocolate, organic. So, I cannot research more on it, pero napansin ko na very luxe. And ang ganda ng intricacy nung black and gold nila, hindi baduy. And of course, I'm not claiming na design expert ako or what. Just as a consumer, I noticed na gumanda talaga siya. Ang isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko is yung lechon Filipino style tote bags. Ang kulit lang kasi may makikita ka na lechon, sinigang, adobo. It's really fun. Like it's one way to start a conversation, especially kapag may foreigner ka na friend at tatanungin nila what's the best Filipino food to eat. And then, okay, ito, adobo. I'll give you an adobo bag to begin with. Parang ganon. And ang ganda kasi very chic and matibay na yung mga products inside. Hindi ka mapapahiya. And natuwa ako kasi the prices are just range around 200 to 350 kasi usually ang inaasahan ko baka pe-presyohan nila ng like 500 above but the products are alam mo yan abot kaya in a way ha, kasi siyempre, social enterprise siya and kailangan din siyempre kumita ng mga artist at ang mga gumagawa nito. So, kung sana lang no, kung gaano kaganda yung pagkakapili ng mga products inside kultura, sana ganun din yung gawin ni SM sa SM stores nila. Like for example, talaga yung mga plus size choices nila kasi very very limited pa rin talaga. Like hindi pa super curated yung mga other choices nila sa SM clothing department store. So, the one thing na nag-e-excel talaga at maganda talaga yung pagkakapili is yung kultura. So, I love yung mga standout pieces nila like this Ormocana plates. Kasi may story yung products. Even yung mga plato ha, galing siya sa Ormoc and it features yung the best about Ormoc. And then etong fan na to, nakalagay siya sa Philippine Eagle which speaks about conservation ng ating mga, um, alam mo na, mga animals, syempre, love na love natin ng mga, ah, ano ba, mga hayop sa Pilipinas, di ba, yung mga eagles. So, it's very vibrant. Ang daming mga pieces na, yung iba nga may pagka-weird and quirky siya, which I like. It's not afraid to be quirky. And meron din mga pieces na medyo weird like this Santa Claus na parang nagbebenta ng ice cream. Or like I guess it's for expats like foreigners who fall in love with the Pinoy culture, 'di ba? Parang sasabihin nila, okay, kasi parang kamukha niya si Santa Claus, but I don't know. So, makikita mo dito yung rich variety ng products. Hindi ka mapapahiya kasi there's so many things na pwede mong ilagay. And kung on the budget ka naman, pwedeng bumili ka lang ng keychain na ang ganda, parang ang ganda ng design niya. May pagka quirky and fun, and I love that they add yung mga violet and gold na colors, which is so lacking in a lot of products nowadays. Alam mo yun, yung ang isa sa mga gusto ko, lalong-lalo na yung mga packaging ng Auro chocolate packaging, they do not hold back talaga. Talagang sumasabog yung kulay and it makes you feel fun again. You're in holiday. Alam mo yun, hindi yung mga parang mute masyado na colors. It's something na kailangan natin kasi kailangan natin na labanan talaga yung lungkot, yung depression, yung feelings of lack. This Auro chocolates is really giving the premium, abundant vibe that we really need. Alam mo yon sa mga panahon na to na kailangan natin na, alam mo yon na find ways na sumaya and to celebrate who we are, no matter what is happening. And at ang sarap niyang ipasalubong sa loved ones. Actually, I always go nga right now sa kultura kapag mga gifts na medyo feeling ko like hindi madaling hanapin. Pero kailangan ko pa rin bumili ng mabilisan. So, kasi when you're in Metro Manila nga naman, lalo sa Makati, where are you gonna get that stuff immediately? But sometimes I also go to, maganda din actually yung mga choices ng Tesoros. And syempre, OG sila, 'di ba? So, iba din naman yung caliber nila. But for something na parang very quick and gusto mo lang like bumili immediately, this is something na pwede mong kunin. I love the new branding ng kultura, the paper boxes, the bags. Yun lang, kailangan mo magbayad ng 2 pesos ha. Kasi medyo mas intricate na yung design. So, if you don't like paying extra for the bags, better bring your, alam mo na, mga sarili mong tote bag and everything para hindi ka magdagdag ng bayad. So, what I like about it is that kahit naman nagbayad ka ng 2 pesos sa bag, very premium naman yung itsura. So, at least whenever I think of SM, hindi ko na naisip ng Baduy. Sure, like there is no perfect company talaga. But I am glad that they're evolving and meron silang social enterprise also that they are helping out. But of course, we should never forget in our locality, syempre, especially in Baguio or in Cebu or in Davao, syempre let's support pa rin our public markets no matter what. Kahit na tinitingnan natin this is actually yung kultura is more like for us sa Metro Manila that have very limited choices actually when it comes to the creative arts. But for those who are fortunate in the province, you must always maximize and shop local and support it. Pero of course, alam mo, this is me being positive. We don't always have to be fighting each other. We can communicate and alam mo yon, i-improve yung balance of how we see yung perspective natin in life. So, thank you for watching this vlog and I super appreciate the time you gave and you are welcome to share your insights kung mas may malalim kayo masasabi at mas magandang maidadagdag. And thank you for watching. Please always remember that Jesus Christ loves you so much.